Hi, we're Amy and Pete, and in the next 2 minutes we're going to tell you how to plan a great hike on the Emerald Pools Trail in Zion National Park, including a few tips at the end that you don't want to miss. The trail is 2.2 miles round trip with a total elevation gain of 340 feet. It's an easy to moderate hike and great for families. It'll take about an hour and a half and pets are not allowed. The trailhead is across from Zion Lodge. You can park at the trailhead between December and February, but the rest of the year you'll have to take the Zion shuttle from the Zion Canyon Visitor Center. There are flush toilets in Zion Lodge. The trail begins at the northern end of the parking lot by crossing the Virgin River. The packed dirt trail then follows the river for about a quarter mile before starting the shallow climb until the half-mile point as it approaches the lower Emerald Pools. You'll walk underneath an alcove with water flowing over it and see lower Emerald Pools on the right-hand side of the trail. Continue under the alcove to get to a junction and then take a left to go to Middle Emerald Pools. You'll then backtrack a tenth of a mile and head up the trail to Upper Emerald Pool. Since there's a bit of climbing to get here, the hike is quieter at this point and not everyone heads this far. You'll retrace your steps back to the parking area from here. We'll be back in 5 seconds with more info. If this has been helpful so far, please give Amy and I a thumbs up and subscribe for more national and state park videos each week. A few things to note. There's railing near the lower Emerald Pools, but be careful as you can fall. Watch your step on the trail to Upper Emerald Pool as it's rocky and sandy. And be sure to wear shoes with good grip, since water on the trail can make it slippery in spots. Leave us any questions about your trip in the comments below. Also use the links and coupons in the description to get one of our park guides, a custom park poster made from your trip photo, or our national and state park stickers. Thanks.